everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Friday, May the 16th of 2025, and I'm coming at you guys with our Walmart couponing deals to start off our weekend. Super excited. We have 16 hot couponing deals at Walmart. We have a freebie deal. We also have some really high value rebates that I'm super excited to talk about. It's going to be a great video, so you're going to make sure that you guys stay tuned. So in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print it out, bring it with you in the store, you on your phone. It's available. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That's what helps me out and lets me keep bringing you guys these videos week after week. But that is available down below, so you don't have to handwrite everything out unless, of course, you want to, which is cool as well. Also, if you guys are not ready to sign up for the rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have all my referral codes down below that I have for the rebate apps that I can get referrals for right now. So if you guys would want to do that, that'd be much appreciated as well if you're not already signed up. But anyways, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals for this weekend. Right, so we have a really nice deal for the Werther's candies over here at Walmart. These are the ones that are by the checkouts. So these guys are $1.28 each over at Walmart. And we have a really nice shop kick offer for 245 kicks between buy it and scan kicks. So it makes it 30 cents. We do have a rebate over on My Points, but you can't combine it with the shop kick per the My Points like terms of use. It says you can't combine it with other rebates. So be aware of that, but 30 cents is a really nice deal. Alright, so unfortunately I don't see these at my store, but if you can find them, they're a crazy awesome deal. It's on the Sweet Tarts Gummy Halo Candy, the 11 ounce. They're $3.48 over here at Walmart, and ShopKick currently has a really high value rebate. It's for 760 kicks back between buy it and scan kicks, which is actually $3.04. So after that, it makes it 44 cents. So an awesome deal for those. So this deal for the Velveeta queso dip got even better than the last time we talked about it. So the Velveeta queso dip, it's $3.48 over at Walmart. We have a shop kick that now is 660 kicks. That is $2.64 back. So after that, it makes it 84 cents, which is an outstanding deal. So don't have in-store footage of this, but we have a crazy awesome deal on the chicken cordon bleu by Tyson. It comes with two of the chicken breasts there, but they are $3.92 each. We have a rebate over on ShopKick for $3.04 back. That's 760 kicks between buy it and scans, making it 88 cents for two like stuffed breaded chicken cordon bleu. That is an amazing deal. So a great price. So pretty great deal for the Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzles. This is $3.43 over at Walmart, and it's with the butter and stuff like that. But it's $3.43. We have a $2 rebate over on Ibotta. So after that, it makes it $1.43. So a pretty good deal. So definitely might be something you want to pick up. I love when these come around because when you can work them into a bonus and stuff, it's a pretty good deal. So first up is for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the 33 load or 25 load. These guys are $3.84 over here at Walmart, and we have a rebate on Ibotta for $2 back. So after that, it makes it $1.84. So there's that. We also got a rebate for the Arm & Hammer scent beads. Now, normally we get a $4 rebate for these when it comes around, but this time it's for $3.50. It's still not bad at all. This is a really big bottle. It's $5.44. We have $3.50 back on Ibotta. So after that, it just makes it $1.94. So actually a pretty good deal. So definitely wanted to mention that one. Guys, guess what is free yet again? More of the Airwick warmers. This one is actually resetting, so these guys are $3.98. We have $4 back on Ibotta, so it's gonna make it totally free, plus what, a 2-cent moneymaker. So if you guys want more of them, here you go. All right, I know we talked about a moneymaker on these like last week, I think, or maybe a little over a week ago, I don't remember, but they're still a really good deal at Walmart, so I want to mention it. It's the Pedigree Drizzlers. These guys are 84 cents each. We have an awesome rebate still on ShopKick. It is for, let me check my notes. It is for 52 cents back, 130 kicks. So after that, it makes it just 32 cents. So a really nice deal for the Pedigree. All right, guys, excellent deal here on the Splash Waters. So these Splash Waters, these guys are $2.68 over here at Walmart. We have a really nice ShopKick offer. So ShopKick is actually giving back $1.94. That's 485 kicks between Buy It and Scan Kicks. So it's just gonna make it 74 cents. So a really nice deal for the splash water. Alright guys, we got a pretty good deal on Dial hand soap over here at Walmart. So the 7.5 ounce, these guys are $1.24 each. We have a rebate over on Ibotta right now for 50 cents back when you buy one. So after that, it's going to make them 74 cents. So not too shabby of a deal. Love when this Glade deal comes around at Walmart or any store really, but I like this rebate because it's very high value, it's good for a bonus, and it's just a good stock up price for these. So the Glade air freshener sprays, these guys are $2.28 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate over on Ibotta for $1.50 back when you buy a Glade spray, limit 3, so it just ends up making them 78 cents, which hey, that beats out great value. So awesome deal for the Glade. Guys, make sure you check your stores for this deal because it's actually a pretty good deal. It is on the Happy Baby Nutty Blends. So it's like baby food pouches like this. It is $1.92 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate over on Ibotta for $1 back. So after that, just make it 92 cents. So a pretty good deal if that is something that you guys need. So wanted to share. Right, so I want to go ahead and mention this. This is a pretty good deal for these Nature Zone small loaves of bread. Now, they're not with the actual Nature Zone, weirdly enough. They're in a different section. But these guys are $2.32 at Walmart. We do have $1 back on Ibotta, so we just make it $1.32. Not too bad, and they have different varieties like sourdough, so pretty nice. Back again on the House Autry air fried chicken mix, which of course my lovely Walmart doesn't carry, but it is $2.86. We have a $1.50 rebate over on Ibotta. So after that, it makes it $1.36, and it's kind of like shake and bake kind of chicken mix kind of stuff, but it's like air fried, I guess. I don't know, but it ends up making it $1.36. Really nice deal. Okay, so I actually have a pretty good deal on this Windex Fast Shine foam. This is $3.48 over here at Walmart, and we do have a rebate on Ibotta for $1.50 back, so it's going to make it $1.98, which is actually a pretty decent deal. And so, yeah, nice one if you want some. All right, guys, that's all I got for this Walmart deals video. I really hope you all did enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.